What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Truth, and today I got a video for you guys. It's not shoe related, but it's something I've been meaning to open up for you guys. But before we get off into this unboxing, unpackaging, whatever you want to call it, before we do that, make sure you guys click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, make sure you don't miss any video that I'm dropping. I've been dropping quite a bit. I'm on my race to 5K by my birthday. You know what I'm saying? My birthday is in June. Be very soon. I keep going on to that. You know what I'm saying? I think you guys can help me do that. Do that by sharing the video, commenting. Let's be interactive with each other. Go ahead and head over to IG and follow me at Keeknology on there as well. Today is gonna be, as you can see behind me, it's full of Lakers stuff. It's still a surreal moment. 2020 has been a crazy year. We got a lot of stuff going on, and you know, it started right out the gate with the passing of Kobe. And Kobe was my dude. I'm just trying to build up as much as I can. I sold off all my Kobe stuff, like all my Kobe sneakers. I got one pair, well, two pair. I got two pair of Kobe sneakers. I had 13, sold them all. Didn't, you know, nobody knew he was gonna pass away. But I'm kind of anticipating the release of the upcoming Kobe's, as long as they don't push things back. So we don't know what's going on with the coronavirus. They're probably gonna push that back. I know it's supposed to be March 26th. On, I want to say it was February 24th. I think that's when this dropped. On February 24th, this website, as you can see on the screen, I'm gonna have it somewhere over here. It's God is Dope. It's a Christian-based company that has a whole bunch of urban gear, hats, t-shirts, and stuff like that. And the whole mantra and everything about it is God is dope. So you know what I'm saying? They take the just do it, make a God is dope. Everything is all around that. So they did a special on the 24th, and it was a Kobe tribute. So all the t-shirts were $8, all the hoodies were $24. So I ended up going on there. It was only for one day. They had a lot of orders. I ended up going there. I ended up giving me a pair. So I got this thing in the mail. Hold on one second. This is not astrology. This is saying crafted by the Father through camaraderie. Scotty Pippenology. Put the air inside of me. Go ahead and open up this package. Go over to IG. I'll put their information down in the description section. But go ahead, go over to IG, follow them, check out their website, you know, all that good stuff. But before I actually take the t-shirt out of the bag, I want to show you guys this, man. Right after Kobe passed, a lot of magazines dropped, and this one was Los Angeles Times. I ended up picking them all up. They were a little bit expensive, but man, just a lot of nice stuff in these magazines. Kobe Legacy from start to finish. Newsweek, same thing. Just the back of it. I'm gonna put all these in little cases. You know, this one is the whole life of it, and we all remember that, man. That dunk. So you know what I'm saying, from ESPN. I'm really trying to just build up everything, so as my kids get older, you know, I can tell them about Kobe, and they can understand how much of a beast he was on the basketball court, and also what he did in his life. Let's get right to this shirt. Now, this is my first time looking at this shirt also, but so this is what it is. This is kind of what all their shirts look like. You have the God is Dope logo on the front. I hope that's focusing on for you guys. You have the God is Dope, and then on the back, you have the Mamba 24. And the hoodie was the same way. So dope. I'm super excited that I got this shirt, man. It was kind of one of those things where it seems like all the prices was being hiked up for Kobe stuff. And for them to do this for $8, it took a little bit longer for me to get this shirt, just because they made them based off of the productions and based off of the sales that they got, and they got a lot, man. So they did send out an email. They were super on point. They communicated very quickly to let me know, you know what, order's gonna be delayed. They apologize. If you go on the IG, you can see where they apologize to their customers, and they just want to make sure that we understood that, hey, we're making these single, one by one, personalized for you. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, the God is Dope. This is their logo, what their box tees look like, and then on the back, you got the Mamba 24, man. You guys let me know in the comment section how y'all feeling this, what y'all think about this. Make sure you go over and you check their website. That's all I got for you guys today. Maybe later on down the line, once I get me another pair of Kobe's, I'll do like a fit or something with this. But you guys, head over to IG. I'll be posting a lot of pictures on there as well. Follow me at Keeknology. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow your boy. We're going to be doing a giveaway soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. It's your boy, Truth. I appreciate you guys. Rock what you like. Now it's hype. I'm out.
You gotta be smart when you shop. Are you looking for authentic? If you aren't, then stop, cause you probably will regret it.